Hello everyone, how's it going? This is the Average Guy in 1983. I didn't think I was gonna have to be making this video, but I got stranded at my local gas station. I'm actually waiting for a AAA tow truck to come over here and tow me out to my house. I'm about 1.5 miles away from my house, which it's not bad. I'm not that far from it. I wasn't expecting for my car to die. If you guys can see here, let me switch the camera over. There is no power. And I'm clicking on this thing. I'm also pushing the brake pedal down to try to click this on, and I have no power. However, there was a weird clicking sound coming from under here, and that is lighting up the alarm thing for the kill switch, but that's not working that well either. It keeps hyper flashing, and then it goes slow flashing, and then it goes to off and hyper flashing again. So I'm thinking it's the battery. This kind of sucks because I wanted to buy an XS Power Battery next month and install it here and just do a video on it, on a comparison between the voltage output of what you would get with an 86 amp hour battery versus a 72 amp hour battery. So there's like 12 amps of a difference on power, but it looks like this thing died. There is what looks like a little bit of leaking on this edge, and then you can definitely see some stuff right there that looks like acid from the battery. So chances are it is the battery that died, and why I can't jump start this car at all. I'm not jump started, but at least try to check the voltage. My fault for not bringing a multimeter with me and some tools. Mistake made, lesson learned. So hopefully next time I will do this. Let me know. Jesus Christ, with these crotch rockets. Anyways, let me know what you guys think might be the problem. Is it the battery? Maybe it's just that these batteries don't last more than 3 years, and we'll go from there. I know that on my Genesis I had to change out the battery on the 5th year that I owned the car, but that was a different battery. But this one is Ford, and this is the first time I deal with Ford. So yeah, but it does sound like it's a battery issue because there's a clicking sound that's coming out of that, and then I'm also getting some weird clicking sound coming out of relay number 77, which is this one over here. You can kind of hear it. This one here is making clicking sounds. The weird part is that this fuse is for a tow truck relay, for like the battery for the tow truck and the hitch, but my Flex doesn't have a hitch anywhere in there. I didn't get the tow package with this car, so I'm not sure why it's going off, but I did already call for a AAA tow truck to help me get my car home, and then I can go ahead and purchase another battery and then get this car rolling. But anyways, let me know in the comment, guys, if you guys think that that's what caused the problem. And yeah, for anybody who has experience with this Ford thing, this is the first time, but I figured I go ahead and document this and go from there.